For this problem, we're going to solve an absolute value inequality. When we solve the absolute value inequality, the absolute value of 2x plus 3 minus 4 is greater than or equal to 3. We're going to express our answer in set notation or interval notation and graph the solution set. We're going to start by isolating the absolute value portion by adding 4 to both sides of the inequality. So give us the absolute value of 2x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 7. Next, we're going to get rid of the absolute value signs by rewriting this as two inequalities. We're going to have 2x plus 3 is less than or equal to negative 7, or 2x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 7. We'll solve these two linear inequalities. Start with this one. By subtracting 3 from both sides, we'll get 2x is less than or equal to negative 10. We'll divide both sides by positive 2. We'll have x is less than or equal to negative 5. For the second inequality, we'll subtract 3 from both sides to get 2x is greater than or equal to 4, and divide both sides by 2 to get x is greater than or equal to 2. We put our results together, we'll get our solution set as a set of values for x, such that x is less than or equal to negative 5, or x is greater than or equal to 2. In interval notation, we'd write negative infinity to negative 5, and we use a square bracket on negative 5 because it's not a strict inequality, or 2 to infinity. Again, we use a square bracket on 2 because we do not have a strict inequality. Next, we're going to graph our solution set. We want x to be less than or equal to negative 5 or greater than or equal to 2. Here we have our number line. We'll mark off negative 5. We're using a scale of 2. So we have negative 2, negative 4, and negative 5 is about there. And then 2 is on this first tick mark past 0. We want x to be less than or equal to negative 5. So we'll use a square bracket at negative 5. And we'll draw an arrow going off to the left. We want x to be greater than or equal to 2. So we'll use a square bracket at 2. We'll draw an arrow going off to the right. And there's the graph of our solution set.